Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 15 Pro Max or any 15 series. So I'm provide full guide. So I hope you just follow my all process, then you get 100% solution. So at first open settings, general, and go to about section. So look here, this is my iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, alright. Go back, open settings, press on general. At first make sure to update your iOS 18 or iOS 26. Okay, I'm already updated my iOS 26. Settings again, and I'm just open Apple Intelligence and Siri. So look here, but not showing here to enable option. So don't upset, I'm provide solution. You just change one settings, then you get 100% enable option. Open settings, go to general, scroll down, and then showing it to language and region option. So look here, my region is Iraq. You must be, so you just select any Europe country, like I'm select United States. Okay, change. Okay, alright, now successfully. So as you can see, now successfully changed my country or region. So go back, and now I'm checking, open Apple Intelligence and Siri, but still now I'm not get this option. So go to language and select language to United States. Okay, I'm just select this. Okay, go back, and finally I'm get enable option. Just press on and easily set up from my Apple Intelligence and Siri, and I'm easily use this. And so look here, open just Siri. So you need to just wait. So you need to just wait minimum 50 minutes or maximum 30 minutes, and then you get Apple Intelligence option. Then you can easily enjoy this.